Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another vlog for you guys. So today is Thursday and it is 7 a.m. in the morning. I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do today. Okay, so just come along with me. So I already took my bath. This is what I'm going to be wearing today. As you guys can see from the previous clips, I already wore my trousers. Okay, so I was brushing my teeth after taking breakfast. So right now I'm putting on my top, as you guys can see. Hi guys, so I'm done from work for today. Tomorrow is another day. What can I even say? Sao? Aqui embaixo. Tomato 500. I want only 100.
Yes, they want send a 4 or 500. Hãy đã like và thấy xem mà video.
It's okay. It's okay here. Yeah. Why are you laughing? So guys, I just came back home from work. I am so tired. I think I'm going to rest first before I start cooking. I need to look for something to eat. I bought kosam. Is it kosam? Yogurt. This locally made yogurt. I bought it from the market. I think I'm going to have it, then rest before I cook. I'm going to prepare deje. That's what's on the menu today. Okay, so I'll see you guys soon. Oh, I totally forgot I bought plantains and plums. Imagine, I totally forgot about plantains and plums. So I'm going to eat it with my yogurt, my kosam. Maybe they call it yauna kosam, no? Yes, my kosam. Then I'll rest before I cook.
I'm sorry they're picking on you because of me. But promise me you won't get into any more fights. Ignore what they say.
You want me to just let them say things like that? That you're a criminal?
No more fighting from now on.
I cannot believe I cried because of movies. Oh my god. Premium tears.
But you told me that the one with the bully. But we managed to catch things up.
Oh my god, this movie is so emotional. Like, let me say this part. Brothers, comment down below if you're watching Brothers, guys. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. The movie is so emotional.
Are you okay?
So I'm tired of this.
Yeah, I'm okay.
So guys, I am done resting. I'm about to start cooking. Come along with me to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. One more time. Welcome to my kitchen. Hey! Welcome to my kitchen. Guys, I feel like I should do a kitchen, like, wow, what do I want to say? I feel like I should start doing food tutorial. Should I start a food channel? It's going to be interesting, shall but the truth is I don't cook every day. I don't cook every day, so I'm not going to be consistent. So let's just forget about it, okay? So I'm washing the chicken. I'm removing the feathers that the guy couldn't remove. I'm washing it very well because you guys saw how dirty their table was. So you don't want to take chances, okay? Okay. So guys, I think I should explain why my white wedding video is not up yet. Well, let me explain to you guys. Let me quickly explain to you guys why my white wedding video is not up yet. Okay, so we had to select pictures, some pictures, and send to our photographer so he could edit, because he's not going to edit all the pictures. He actually sent us 1,300 pictures, so we're supposed to select 200 for him to edit. So we selected the pictures and we put in the hard drive, and the hard drive never got to him. So there was a little bit of a misunderstanding at the agency, so he could not collect the hard drive. Okay, he collected the hard drive days later. So the pictures and the clips that I have to use to edit are with the photographer. So he still has to send the edited pictures and the videos, the clips of the videos to me, because I didn't have the chance to record with my phone. I recorded some parts with my phone, but he mostly has the good parts with his camera. So he's going to send the pictures with the clips to me before I'll edit and then post, okay? Because I had a lot of comments saying, where is the white wedding video? Where is the white wedding video? I promise you guys it's going to come up very soon. As soon as I have the clips, I'm going to edit it and post it, okay? So I'm also really eager to see the videos, the clips that he has, and to edit it as well. And then also I want to edit the bridal shower vlog, because I made a bridal shower. I want to edit the vlog and upload it before uploading my white wedding video. So I'm going to upload the bridal shower vlog before the white wedding vlog. Alright, so I'm done with my chicken, well washed. I'm going to wash it again, and then I'll prepare everything I'm supposed to blend, and then just blend, then make my plantains. I want to be very quick because hubby is already hungry. He's already getting hungry, okay? Well, I came back and I was tired, so I needed to rest first before I make food, okay? So
So guys, after this I was just putting everything together, and when everything got ready I just added my chicken and my fried plantains. I lost some clips, I'm so sorry I couldn't show you guys. So that was basically it. I added my chicken and my fried plantains and my green vegetables, the carrot, the green beans, and this is how my deje is looking like. So yum, so beautiful, so nice. It tasted so nice, guys.
around tired. I'm so tired.
So yum, so yum.
Never chop chicken left bone though. It is unacceptable. All we do. Yes, you are not aware. Squid. And Squid Game don't invest their brain. I don't finish that. How if you chop chicken liver and so? See. So. How? What happened? What went wrong?
So guys, that's basically it for this video. Fiance ate chicken. Wait, did I just say fiance? Sorry, oh, hubby ate this chicken and he left it in a way that he was not supposed to. He didn't eat this chicken like an African man, okay? So I decided to help him out. So that's basically it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.